For every pain that you can't explain, for every worry that consumes you, for every fear that overwhelms you, for every loss that hurts you, for every anxiety that takes over you, for every broken heart that silently kills you, for every uncertainty that scares you, for everything that beyond your reach and control, beyond your comprehensions and understandings, beyond your means and capacity. Remember, remind, recite, and believe. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs for us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed you with something much better. So trust Him.